Breaking news. Artificial intelligence has officially replaced humanity. Millions are unemployed. Entire industries have collapsed. But somehow, these people still have jobs. Scientists say AI still cannot fix a printer by punching it 3 times. AI attempted to become a taxi driver in South Africa and immediately requested shutdown. Accountants? Gone. Programmers? Replaced. Customer support? Already sounded robotic anyway. Dave lost his job to ChatGPT after teaching ChatGPT how to do his job. AI also tried refereeing football matches. Unfortunately, it understood the rules too well, which made it completely unqualified. Meanwhile, mechanics are still fixing engines using Violence, the only surviving career in 2030. That one guy who somehow fixes the school projector. Humanity may be finished, but chaos will always win. We are absolutely cooked.